Lemons are citrus fruits known for their tangy flavor and versatile uses in cooking, beverages, and even cleaning products. They are also packed with various health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are some potential health benefits of lemons. Vitamin C. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system, protect cells from damage, and promote healthy skin. Digestive health. The citric acid in lemons may aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and improving the absorption of nutrients. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can also help promote regular bowel movements. Weight management. Some studies suggest that compounds in lemons, such as polyphenols, could aid in weight management by reducing body fat accumulation and improving insulin sensitivity. Heart health. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons, like hesperidin and diosmin, may contribute to improved heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, supporting blood vessel function, and reducing inflammation. Skin health. Vitamin C in lemons plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy and youthful skin. Applying lemon juice topically might help lighten dark spots and blemishes due to its natural bleaching properties. Kidney stone. Prevention. Citric acid in lemons may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels, which can inhibit the crystallization of minerals in the urinary tract. Cancer prevention. Some compounds found in lemons, such as limonoids and flavonoids, have shown potential in laboratory studies for their anti-cancer properties. Hydration. Lemon water can be a refreshing way to increase fluid intake, which is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions and overall health. Alkalizing properties. Despite being acidic in nature, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. This can help balance the body's pH levels and promote a more alkaline environment, which is associated with better health. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. The citric acid and vitamin C content in lemons can contribute to their antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them potentially useful in supporting the immune system's ability to fight off infections. It's important to note that while lemons offer several health benefits, they are not a cure-all and should be part of a balanced diet. Lemon juice's acidity can potentially erode tooth enamel, so it's advisable to consume lemon-containing foods and drinks in moderation and rinse your mouth with water afterward. Additionally, individuals with citrus allergies or sensitivities should exercise caution when consuming lemons or lemon products. If you have any specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.